Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Higgsfield Speak AI. So first and foremost, you just have to go to their site, Higgsfield, and then what you're going to do here is you have to click the first link or site, and then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to create an account here. So basically, you can tap on login if you have an account or sign up. The easiest is to just basically connect your Google account. So there are other ways right here, but for me, the easiest is just connect to my Google account. Now, you just have to simply answer these basic questions right here. And then once done, then you can choose from any of their features. Of course, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock all features. But I'm going to show you right here how to use this talking AI or avatar. So in order for you to do that, you have to look for videos. And then this time, what we're going to select, actually, there are tons of features right here that you can use. But let me just select this time this lip sync studio. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to generate an image using ChatGPT, but actually this one is optional. If you have your image with you, then you can use that one. This time I have to generate an image. So I'm going to create a prompt right here. This is the image. I'm going to download, go back to Higgsfield, upload the image, and then below you can add here any word that you want the character to see. So I'm going to add it right here. You can also generate a prompt, but this one is optional. So as you can see, as the picture or image is generating or uploading, I am adding words that I want my character to see. So this is the example, generate for 9 credits or coins, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you should see the result. So basically, this is just a limited version. If you want to upgrade, and then all you have to do is to upgrade your plan in order for you to use more features of Higgsfield. And this is how easy it is to use Higgsfield Speak AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.